Day's number 12,085. 4 years putting back together. Today's just going to be little trim pieces. Factory reproductions are nice, but they don't have all. They have partial holes, and a lot of them don't have any holes. It's kind of stuff you got to watch out for. So always start with your factories the closest you can. Stretch your rubber, make it work. You want to get it tight, just like the old fitting. Even though these are reproductions, they're not perfect. And we got these doors aligned perfectly, so we want to get these screw holes exactly back where they were, so everything matches up. And I can actually see the hole behind there. Because on the Dodges they had like a slot in them, but you can tell where the old screw is. So we just got to go little by little and get them in there. This one's not a slotted one. The reason we're trying to get these back as close as we can to factory is we aligned these doors perfectly when it came from the factory back in the 70s. This stuff was done right, and it was actually aligned perfectly. So we got the doors aligned perfectly, so we want to make sure all our rubbers and stuff are perfect, just like they were from the factory. That way there's going to be no ripping, no tearing on all these seals. And just snug them up as tight as you can. Don't strip them, and don't try to get crazy with them. This is the one that's tough. So we can actually see that our screw is down here on the bottom. So that's where we want to try to get this. So I'm going to get another piece here. Got it. So I punch that in there so I could feel where the hole is. So we get a starting point. I got it right in the bottom of that slot. Like I said, snug. Don't get carried away. They're not going to get countersunk. These are just for the doors when they hammer together. But there's enough variance in the older stuff you don't have to worry about it. Tolerances are pretty far apart back then. So that piece is in. That helps guide the window up and trims that out. With the car, and they hold this piece of chrome on. Unfortunately, the only ones we found on the internet, and we're tired of waiting. 8 of these will cost you $30. So these are number 8 screw. We found these exactly smaller, exactly ½ an inch variance from the bottom to the top screw hole. We just wanted a number 10 screw. And because this is so in there, and there's actually another strip that goes over the top of here, it's not going to make a difference. You won't even see them. So just save ourselves a little bit of money here and install these clips. Now we can get the radio in, or get the trim on. There's little door rubber in the bottom of all these cars, and that's the door, so the glass bottom's out. We actually have to take that out so that glass will drop down. And just twist them out. It's just compression fit in there. Trim in for the windshield, the window trim in. This is actually the seal. So we got everything they're adjustable. So get everything where we need to go. Now we know it's in right, we're gonna go back and tighten them all down, just snug them up again. Don't get crazy on them and strip them out. Keeps the rain from coming in. The glass. There's a whole bunch of them. Tight and snug. Nice and tight. So, next thing is trim on the door panel itself.